Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to take you on a reset day. I've been putting this off for a while due to busyness, but I'm back on track and ready to get this house back in order. I hope this video gives you some comfort and inspiration to tackle that to-do list, so get cozy, grab a coffee or tea, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. Today is a Monday, and I was so busy the last Monday that I was not able to do a full reset of this house, but I've been able to catch up on my orders. I still have orders on the board, but I have some buffer, so I don't have to spend time today working on orders. So my plan is to clean this house, give it the full reset that it deserves and needs. So now that I have had my coffee, it is time to get up and get going. So let's go ahead and start. I try to do my bedding weekly, which is pretty frequent, but we sleep with both our dogs and you'll be amazed at how quickly that fur can accumulate. We got this beautiful duvet cover and duvet from IKEA. I think it was $34.99, which is so cheap when it comes to bedding. We actually need a backup duvet cover since this is our only one for now. We should be heading to IKEA soon, so I'll have that on the list, but I just really love IKEA's homely, simple designs for their bedding.
And a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
Up next are my bathrooms. Look how small our primary bathroom is. It's definitely a tight squeeze and dated, but my husband and I don't really mind how tight it is for now. We have both bathrooms in this house in mind for a renovation in the near future, but for now they're very functional and work fine. I love using the Scrub Daddy brand of cleaning paste and their sponge for cleaning the shower and sink. I find it cleans away things so easily and just works so well.
Tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond a bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other.
This sink is dated, but I love how easy it is to clean. Our more modern bathrooms in the lake house had weird hard edges, which were hard on my fingers when I cleaned them, and the sink is shallow, smooth, and just super easy to wipe down. I'd love a modern version of this when we renovate this bathroom, because I think it makes a big difference when cleaning. I think the mirror would go really good right in the middle of here if possible. So this is a perfectly placed dresser. So use that as your centering point. So this is the middle of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just directly center of the room.
I would center it to the
To
desk
desks.
dresser, yeah.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
the room, I don't know
Yeah.
where
Gotcha.
that would land, but
And like.
I want
yeah.
to center to the dresser.
Okay. Centered to the dresser. Okay. Sounds good. Not gonna worry about the key or anything.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, use the dresser as your guide.
Okay.
If that's possible. Okay, should I leave you to it?
Sure.
You ready to go?
Let's try this again. Or I mean, for the first time.
It's okay. We'll try this. Just try this. You're going under set first?
No, you do your set first.
Okay. There, I'm in mine. Are you in your hole?
I'm in.
Okay. Okay, that looks great. Thank you. Wow. I love it. Yeah, it's on there pretty sturdily.
I don't think this will survive that big, huge
Eight-
PNW earthquake 8.9er that we could get at any time.
It might. It's there pretty good. So, I have faith in it. Are you proud of your work? Do you like it?
Yeah,
I love it.
handy work.
I think it looks great.
And the original holes that I messed up with are still covered.
Okay. Awesome.
Take a leap of faith. Run
What do you got going here?
with me.
Potatoes.
You're making your mashed potatoes tonight, right?
Yep,
Okay.
because
nice.
we still have leftover ham.
So Kale is not following a recipe for these mashed potatoes. These are his mashed potatoes, and they are literally the best mashed potatoes ever. Would you say that?
I would say so.
I think people
I made
really
'em.
like your mashed potatoes.
Oh yeah.
Cooking with kale. Kale's famous mashed potatoes. We're gonna have leftover ham tonight.
Say, would you like to spend your day with me always?
Have to step over Gibson,
I
so it
know.
seems like.
It's like playing Twister. Unloading the dishwasher. Do you like my vest? Wearing it indoors?
Yeah, I think it looks good.
Yeah.
I like the vest and the short sleeve combo.
Yeah, yeah.
It tells me that you're overheated but not at the same time.
I'm indoors.
Yeah.
Gibson, it's okay. UPS is here.
Oh, we came late.
Yeah. Just turn the light out.
Take off
That's
me,
nice.
I'm worried. You're wide. Honestly, I'm running a bit wide. Be brave. We don't need far too much. Just stay brave. Beside me. Happy
My
days.
plant's backing up long.
Running on the open fields. Yeah. And I believe you when you say that this is never gonna change. Say, would you like to spend your days with me? Oh, be brave. We don't need far too much. Just stay brave. Here beside me, oh, happy days. Running on the open fields, we'll stay brave. Yeah.
I ain't never felt the kind of love like this before. You took all the worries from my mind. Darling, please forgive me if I stay a little more. I can't look away from those brown eyes. And if we settle down, we don't have to settle down. Please don't be afraid of all the things that could go wrong. We can take our time and we may change our mind. I can tell a good thing when a good thing comes along. Darling, tell me all about the dreams you had last night. You can be so restless in your sleep. I ain't going nowhere, all this feels so very right. When you find good love, it's the one that you should keep. And if we settle down, we don't have to settle down. Please don't be afraid of all the things that could go wrong. And we can take our time, and we may change our mind. But I can tell a good thing when a good thing comes along.
We don't have very much ham left, but we have that pork tenderloin that I feel like we might want mashed potatoes with as well.
Mm-hmm.
That's good. This dressing's good.
Mm-hmm.
Ham is still good.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Those mashed potatoes are creamy.
Mm-hmm. Do you need help?
I might. Yeah, but it's not in the hole.
Where is it on?
It's on the ridge here. Okay, I had this as 28.
Are these 28? Yeah, that's 28.
Oh, it's 26. Yeah, it fits.
I know.
Yeah, it doesn't fit. Okay.
Just gonna have to
Oops.
redo it. It's okay.
Okay, I will bring those in.
Okay. Take 2.
Can this be the thumbnail?